It's not Jimmy. It's on safety. It's on safety.
Okay. Get him. Wait, he's coming. Wait. Are you lined up? Take him, take him. Nice. Yes. Yes. You got it. Nice work. You're tagged down, girl. Oh, I'm shaking. Nice little Jake. Smoked it.
Get out of here.
Look at the other ones coming back.
Get out of here.
Don't worry about them. Let's go get them real quick.
Yeah. Let's go.
Holy cow. Put the gun on safety. Nice work.
He's still moving.
Yeah. Nice work. Nice. All right, how was it?
Good.
Good. This is your second year turkey hunting and your second bird. That's awesome. You smoked it. 19 yards with a bird shot. You can see our put a decoy out. There's our tent. 19 yard shot and boom, bird down. Fist bump me. Whoop whoop. Second bird. You're a turkey slayer, aren't you? Huh? That was sweet. You're shooting with iron sights too. So I mean, that's your first time with iron sights. Normally you have a scope on it, right? And how do you like those iron sights? A little difficult?
I don't like it at all.
You don't like it at all? Yeah. Well, let's put a tag on here. We got Anna's tags here, and awesome. Rock out. Did that thing. And
Turkey, 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 turkey.